Hi, I'm Jeremy Wine. I'm in an organic garden in Sydney and I'm so excited. This is going to be one of the most useful landscape tools in our toolbox. It's the SW500E. Let me show you what it can do. To get started, we just plug into the hose and tap in the garden. Plug into mains power. If we don't have mains power, we've got a backup generator. In a situation where you don't have access to a hose and a tap, we've got a water tank and it's a simple switch of the ball valve. The machine will self-prime from a water tank in situations where you want to use the water tank. It's a ball valve. Operation of this machine is so simple. Turn on the pump and move it to boiler. How quiet is that? The unique thing about our statue steam is that it comes out at low pressure and at high volume. That's 5 litres a minute at low pressure. There's no displacement of the mulch, no compaction of the soil. That's a critical feature when you're weeding in gardens without damaging soil structure. We're about 20 metres away from the machine and the machine is just about to give me saturated steam. You'll hear a change in the water. The machine's been going for about 1.5 minutes and I'm just reaching full temperature. You hear that? Sounds like an espresso machine. That's the unique sound of our machine turning superheated water into saturated steam. Have a look what it does to the weeds. Got comes with 2 applicator heads. You saw the covered head. This is what we call the Versatech open head. See what it can do. When paving and pathways go green, they can often get slippery. So in order to clean them up, often people use a pressure cleaner. And using a pressure cleaner can really damage soft stone like sandstone. The SW500E uses low pressure and temperature, perfect combination to clean off. Let me show you. Organic gardens come with their collections of spiders and other insects. Sometimes, just in order to keep the spider populations under control and away from the areas where you don't want them, we can use superheated water. The natural patina of a timber table can sometimes get a little bit much. If you want to pull it, to strip it back, using the SW500E, you can do it with low pressure, high temperature, and a gentle fan. That's done it without splintering the timber. You can't do that with high pressure, only with low pressure, and the heat just melts that green algae away. Close to every man's heart is his barbecue. One thing we really don't like doing is cleaning them, but this is an easy way to do it. So what do you think? Landscape tool that's worth having? In the hour that it's taken me to put this 1.5 minute video together, I've weeded the gravel, weeded the paving, started cleaning the paving, removed some spiders, prepared a table for oiling, cleaned the barbecue. You really should have one of these in your toolkit. The SW500E from Weed Techniques.